Tired of settling for a compact smartphone that lacks power and performance? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best compact smartphones of 2025. And trust us, they pack a punch. We've done the research, tested the features, and broken down the pros and cons, so you can pick a device that fits your lifestyle perfectly. From AI-powered cameras to sleek designs and unbeatable battery life, these phones are changing the game. Stick around to find out which one deserves a spot in your pocket. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 AI, a foldable marvel that combines cutting-edge technology with a compact design. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12 GB RAM, it ensures smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. The 512 GB storage variant offers ample space for apps, photos, and videos. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display delivers vibrant visuals, while the 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover screen provides quick access to notifications and apps without unfolding. The 50MP main camera and 12MP ultra-wide lens capture stunning photos, and AI-powered features like FlexCam and Photo Assist enhance your photography experience. With Galaxy AI, the Z Flip 6 offers real-time translation through the Live Interpreter feature, making communication effortless across languages. Its IP48 rating ensures durability against dust and water, and the 4,000 mAh battery supports all-day usage. For those seeking a blend of style, performance, and innovation, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 AI stands out as a top choice. At number 4, we have the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, a compact smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance. Released in October 2024, this device boasts a 6.31-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, providing ample space and speed for multitasking and storage needs. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its triple rear camera setup, featuring 3 50MP sensors, delivering high-quality images and versatile shooting options. The device is equipped with a 5,700 mAh battery, supporting all-day usage, and runs on Android 15 with Origin OS 5, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. Saturn Zero Search Zero. With its compact design and powerful features, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini is a top choice for those seeking performance in a smaller form factor. At number 3, the Google Pixel 9a with Gemini delivers flagship-level AI features in a compact, budget-friendly package. Equipped with the Google Tensor G4 chip and 8 GB RAM, it offers smooth performance and advanced AI capabilities. The 6.3-inch OLED display boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,700 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals even under direct sunlight. Its IP68 rating provides durability against dust and water. Saturn Zero Search 1. The dual rear camera system features a 48MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, capturing high-quality photos. AI-powered features like Magic Editor, Best Take, and Add Me enhance your photography experience. With a 5,100 mAh battery, the Pixel 9a offers over 30 hours of usage and supports both wired and wireless charging. Running on Android 15, it guarantees 7 years of OS and security updates, ensuring longevity and up-to-date features. For those seeking a compact smartphone with powerful AI features and excellent photography capabilities, the Google Pixel 9a with Gemini stands out as a top choice. At number 2, the iPhone 16e delivers flagship-level performance in a compact form factor. Equipped with the A18 chip, it offers up to 80% faster CPU performance compared to its predecessor, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display provides vibrant visuals with a peak brightness of 1,200 nits, making it ideal for media consumption and outdoor use. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 48MP Fusion camera system, delivering high-resolution photos and videos up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Saturn Zero News 27, the device features Face ID, USB-C charging, and a customizable action button for enhanced usability. Saturn Zero News 27, with Apple Intelligence, the iPhone 16e offers advanced AI features, including real-time translation and personalized suggestions. Price starting at $599, the iPhone 16e provides a premium experience in a compact and affordable package. Leading our countdown at number 1 is the Samsung Galaxy S25, a compact yet powerful smartphone that delivers flagship performance in a sleek design. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and 12GB RAM, it ensures smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. The 6.2-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display offers vibrant visuals, with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it ideal for media consumption and outdoor use. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the versatile triple camera setup, featuring a 50MP main sensor, 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, delivering high-quality photos and videos. The device is powered by a 4000 mAh battery, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 offers a user-friendly interface and is eligible for 7 years of software updates, ensuring longevity and up-to-date features. For those seeking a compact smartphone without compromising on performance, the Samsung Galaxy S25 stands out as the top choice.